guys, good morning. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today's Monday. I'm in the gym right now. I'm in the process of doing my 12-3-30 workout. Just decided to start this vlog before I'm completely slumped because it is such a difficult workout for me to do. I don't know why. So in the process of filming a morning routine, so I won't be too active on the vlog today, but actually I might just repurpose the content. That way you guys aren't like left hanging today, because I'm really trying to get back into like my weekly vlogging and vlogging every single day at least. And yeah, so today we're filming a morning routine that I have to film and edit today. So it's gonna be a busy day for me. Just wanted to get a workout in because the workout really just makes me feel good about myself and make me feel way more productive and way more energized. So yeah, let's get back to this workout and I'll check in with you guys when I get back upstairs. Guys, so it's about 2:56 right now. Well, exactly that time. I have a call at the moment with a brand, so I'm gonna just hop on that really quickly. I feel like my computer is acting very funny lately. Like, what is your problem? Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing? Yeah.
For that and let people know what we're doing. So that's the point of the partnership. The
call was super quick. The brand is very chill, straightforward, to the point. Love that. It's also a Black-owned brand, so I'm very excited to be working with them. It's jewelry. Love that, Black-owned and really nice jewelry. I'm gonna have lunch right now. I have some crab legs on the stove, so I'm gonna just eat that really quickly for lunch. Have a drink. Not alcoholic, but just have my crab legs and maybe some water or juice, and then that should hold me over until dinner and, you know, the rest of my day. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. We are back. Let me get some packages. So I was thinking to myself this morning, like, wow, it's been a while since I checked the mail, and to my surprise, so many packages. First, I didn't really know who these things are from, but now I know. This coat I already own, but I messed it up. I was lazy and I put my coat in the washing machine, and it ruined it, so I had to buy a new one. I love this coat way too much to not have gotten a new one. Oh, and they gave me a garment holder. Thank gosh. I already owned it. Everyone, you guys all liked it. It's a beautiful coat, but I just got a new one, so that's what it looks like. It's just the white coat that I always wore or had before. This is definitely PR because I did not order this, but ooh, it's a lot of products in here. Wow. Octavia, we hope you enjoy your Kapari goodies. We can't wait to hear what you think. Nice. Excited to try it out. Let's see what this one is. This is a hydrating vitamin C shower oil. Okay. I'm actually obsessed with vitamin C. And if that's for the body, the shower, these are gonna go right in my shower immediately. What's this? This is a coconut hydrating body milk. Ooh, I'm loving the sound of these products already. What is this? What is this? This is deodorant? Wow, okay. This seems to be a lip glossy. This is a lip gloss, a lip scrub, hydrating moisturizer, a enzyme scrub. Wow. This is a exfoliating body scrub. And this is another, what is this? Organic melt? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's for the body as well. Okay. Lots of goodies in here. Lots of goodies. Thanks, Kapari. This next one is a PR package from Estee Lauder. So from Estee Lauder, we got some fragrances. This is called the Small Wonders by Estee Lauder, and there is 9, wait, how many scents is this? 2, 4, 6, 8. And there's 8 scents here. I've literally did a really quick sample of all of them. My favorite so far, I mean, I haven't like tried it on yet, but just by like smelling. It's Blushing Sands and Desert Eden. This one I'm still on the fence about. I don't know if I like it or it's just very familiar to something that I already own, but it's quite nice. So these are the 8 cents here. And all right guys, I am back. I got ready really quickly because I wanted to run some errands, and I'm also going into the city a bit later on today. So I'm expecting a package to be delivered to my office today. So I would love to go and pick that up. However, it's still staying out for delivery. I also wanted to go to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. I have a few things. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm like itchy. I have a few things on my list. I wanted to get another charm for my Pandora bracelet here. Just another charm. I wanted to shoot this like simple, casual, all white outfit look. Let me show you guys. I don't even know if it's even worth shooting. It's not even that special of an outfit, but oh, it's basically this Rihanna white t-shirt. Wear this all the time. My effortless pants from Aritzia. These are Yeezys. I actually just got these. I don't think I ever showed them, but these are the Yeezy Cloud White and this new Jacquemus bag that I got from Farfetch. So it's a very white and simple look. But I thought it just looked really good to just shoot this very simple outfit. At least it's what I was thinking. Okay, I'm back. I went to the bathroom to put some more layers in the front of my hair and cut the bangs a little bit shorter. I was afraid of going this short because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to put my hair behind my ear. But it's okay, like it'll be all right. I definitely just prefer this look a lot better though. Really wanted to wear one of the, well, I'm gonna still wear it, but I'm gonna layer with my Baccarat. I was gonna say I wanted to wear one of my new Estee Lauder scents, but I don't wanna rely on that and it doesn't like hold up. So I'm gonna just layer up with the Baccarat. Because that, my friend. Getting ready to head out now. I'm just gonna switch the battery in you guys. And then we're gonna leave. Alright guys, time for an Aritzia haul. So, I didn't really vlog too much when I was in the store yesterday, so I'll just show you now. First up, I got a face mask, and this is just their Sculpt Cotton face mask, one size, unisex. They're $10, but they fit your face so nicely. They did not have a bunch of color options or fabric options in store. Usually I get the satin ones, but I think it's because New York is kind of like, they have lifted the mask mandate, so a lot of people aren't really wearing masks anymore. Maybe the pandemic is coming to an end finally because nobody's wearing masks. First up is this tank top from Babaton. It's the Sculpt knit fabric, which is so flattering on the body. You guys can tell by this natural silhouette it has. The line called Babaton, and it retails for $58, which is pretty much the cost for all of them, and I always pick these up in an extra small. Next up, I have a pair of jeans. So I've been really fighting with myself on whether or not I should pick these jeans up. They're by the brand, the A Goldie line in Aritzia. This is a very good denim brand, very good. You know, the cotton is used or it's organic, and it just feels amazing. But this is the crisscross straight jean style. And let me show you what the crisscross detailing is. This is the waist of it. So the waist comes down and it has this like hanging part, and then this is the back. You have to get it tailored in just slightly just kind of snatch my waist a little bit further. I don't know what's going on where my thighs are spreading these days and my waist is like staying the same. Don't get me wrong, it's flattering. Your girl is growing some curves finally, but still, it's like, it's affecting my jean buying process. No jean fits me perfectly, none. And the final thing I got was this satin skirt. I already have this satin skirt in a champagne color, but this shade was too, I couldn't leave it. The color is beautiful. So pretty. And this was, there's no price on this, but I know it's $98. It's about like 1 o'clock right now. Yeah, I'm sorry, 2:14. I decided to stop by my office because I have a package here, but also it's by the garage area, so I thought I'd stop in here and try to get some photos. I didn't bring my big camera or anything. I have my phone. Also not looking the best right now, so I'm just doing what I can do with what I got. Just trying to find the best angle. Also, they're cutting the grass right now, so it's noisy. Alright guys, popped into Pandora. You guys know I've been loving my Pandora bracelet, which is this one. I came in to add a charm to it, but I saw this one in the display. It's a silver chain with the gold charms, and it's giving luxury. So I think I might do a silver chain today instead with maybe some charms. And maybe do a little stack or even switch it out for the summer, spring. I think I'm like, if not the second to smallest size that you guys have. I'm gonna add some gold charms to this, okay. And what is the safety chain for again?
Still on your right.
Ooh.
So if you hit it the wrong way or something, it just happens to
We also have this one with the logo instead
Okay.
of just the stones.
I would want one with just the stones.
Just the stones.
Okay, so this is the...
have it on this side.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I am now at Ruth's Chris. I'm gonna use the restroom really quickly just to wash my hands and stuff, and I'm gonna have a really early dinner. It's only 4:30, 4:40. Yeah, 4:45, but I'm hungry and I'm not gonna cook when I get home, so I'm just gonna eat something here. You know, just dining alone, and it's also a happy hour, so it's not too awkward because there's people at the bar and chilling, you know, it's fine. Anyways, let me go to the bathroom and... Happy Thursday guys. So I'm about to stock my shower area here. As you can see, it has nothing. I have some new products here from a brand called Kapari. They basically sent me an entire like shower package. So this is the vitamin C shower oil. We have the body milk, which I think is supposed to moisturize your skin. Okay, coconut body mist for after the shower. Yeah, so I'm expecting good things. There's some really bomb ingredients in these products, not an ad. And they have coconut milk, niacinamide, which really helps to like make your skin look smoother, vitamin B5, aloe. Have a couple products in here. They basically sent me an entire package. So this is the eye cream. This is the enzyme scrub. Wow, the packaging is actually really nice. The peptide glow moisturizer. Okay, this is the exfoliating crush scrub. Wow, love the consistency of this. And then we have one other product here. This is the organic coconut melt. This is a Okay, a moisturizer for the body. I'm expecting to be moisturized than I've ever been in my life. That's what I'm expecting. So I'll try these products out for a week. So this is like a body butter kind of consistency. Basically just opening everything so we can get started on using. This seems to be a natural deodorant by their brand as well. Okay, has a very light smell. Okay, we have a chapstick or lip gloss. Okay. Alright, it's very sheeny. Okay. And then the final product we have is this lip scrub. Same consistency as the body scrub, or color at least. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, everything's fully unboxed. Let's get these things in the shower. Good morning, happy Friday. So today's gonna be the final day of this vlog because I'm going away on a little camping trip. So I do need to pack my bag, and then we're gonna go to Whole Foods to get just some stuff that we need for the weekend. And then I also would love to edit this portion because my weekly vlog is pretty much edited and ready to go live. I just would need to put this bit in it, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's get started on packing. I also would love to do a really quick workout before I eventually leave too. That would be, if I could get a workout in, that would be amazing. So yeah, we have quite a few things to do this morning, so let's go. Okay, I'm done packing, but before I show you everything, remember the Estee Lauder fragrance thing that I packed? These are my 3 favorite scents. This is the Dream Dusk, Sensuous Stars, and Tender Light. They're all very fresh and like florally, with hints of like, you know, whether it's like a musky note. So I really like these. Outfit number 1, Lululemon tank, bottoms, and jacket. I have this cashmere sweater and nude looking jean. This is gonna be if we do decide to go out to dinner to like one of the local restaurants, or we go to the brewery. This would be the outfit that I would wear. In this Jacquemus bag, I have my undergarments and stuff. I have my pajamas, and you know, if anything, I can also wear either of these t-shirts with this tan pants for a different look.